So today we are going to start with lesson number 8. The name of the lesson is Flying High. All of you open textbook page number 52 with me and we will start reading the lesson. Lesson number 8, Flying High. On my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. So this paragraph is telling us about the peacock. A peacock has a crest on its head and it's love to dance when it rains. It has beautiful feathers. Peacock is also the national bird of India. So when it is going to rain, the peacock makes a lot of noise. So this paragraph tells us about the peacock. Now let's go to the next paragraph. Long and grooved is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The eagle is what you call me. The next paragraph is telling us about an eagle. The eagle has a long and grooved tail. When you see the eagle, you will always notice that it is flying high in the sky and the eagle eats mice. So the next paragraph is telling us about eagle. My feathers are green, my beak's red. Guava and green chilies I am fed. I love to imitate people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. Parrot. So this paragraph is telling us about a parrot. You can see in the picture that the parrot is having a red beak and it is green in color. The food of the parrot is guavas and red chilies. It loves to imitate the voice of the people. Imitate means copy the voice of the people and it makes a lot of noise. Black are my feathers and black is my beak. Cow, cow, I do all day long. So, this paragraph is telling us about the bird. The crow has a black beak and black feathers and a whole day it does cow, cow. So, children, we have studied about 4 birds on this page. We have studied about peacock, we have studied about eagle, we have studied about the parrot and we have studied about the crow. Now let's go to page number 53. Kuhu kuhu is my sound, everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame, cuckoo is my name. So over here children, you have to write cuckoo. The spelling of cuckoo is CUCKOO. So you have to write this name. The next one is dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the sky I fly, vulture is what I am called by. So here you have to write sky. So we see that vulture eats all the dead animals and it makes places around us clean. The vulture also flies higher in the sky. Over here. My beak is pink, feathers are grey. Gooter goo, I go all the day. In house I make my home. A pigeon is how I am known. So when you see at the pigeon, you will say that it has grey feathers and a pink beak. When you see in different houses, societies, you will see these birds over there. They make their home in the houses and they are called as pigeons. The next bird is the sparrow. My beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves I make my home. The sparrow bird is how I am known. And you will see the sparrow is a small bird but it has a very thin needle like beak. So It is known for its beak. It is brown in color and it uses leaves to make his home. The next one is the woodpecker. In the trunk of trees, holes I make, hidden insects I intake. Tuk tuk tuk, I work all day. The woodpecker is what people say. So the woodpecker makes holes in the trees, and when it makes the hole, it has the sound like tuk tuk tuk, and it is called as woodpecker because we see that it makes hole in the woodpecker in the wood. So this bird is called as woodpecker. Why is there so much noise in the jungle? I just can't sleep. This is the owl. As we all know that owl is awake whole night and it sleeps in the day. So all these birds are talking about themselves. They are telling that I am a peacock, I am eagle, I am parrot, I am crow, I am cuckoo, I am vulture, pigeon, sparrow, woodpecker. They are all telling about their qualities, the food they eat, and what are their special features. So the owl is saying why there is so much noise, because the owl is sleeping during the day and it is disturbed. Now let's see what the other bird is saying. Dear owl, the birds are all praising themselves and shouting. So this one is telling that all of them are praising themselves and they are shouting. So the owl said, stop this hula baloo. Why are you quarreling? Hula baloo means a confused noise or a talk. Quarreling means fighting. So owl is telling stop praising yourself and stop fighting with each other that I am special, I am special. We all are special in our own ways. Our claws, beaks, feathers and sounds are different, yet we all are birds. If we all look alike, ate the same food and made the same sound, think how dull the world would be. So owl is very clever. He's telling that we all are special in our own ways. We have different types of beaks, different types of feathers, different types of sound, yet we all are birds. Birds are the animals which can fly in the sky, which stay on the trees. The owl is telling if we all look the same and ate the same food, the world would be very dull if we would have the same sounds. So they are made in such a way that they all are birds, but they have different features. They have different colors. Some have different types of beaks. Some have long beaks, some have curved beaks, some have uh, red beaks. Pigeon has pink beak, crow has black beak, and they have different types of eyes, different types of looks. Some birds are fat, some are thin, some birds are big, some birds are small. So there are different types of birds and they make the world beautiful. Which of the bird mentioned in the lesson have you seen? Write their names. So children, over here we have to write the names of the birds which we have seen. So write sparrow, crow, eagle, owl, parrot, peacock, pigeon, cuckoo. You can write the names from here. Now go outside and look for birds on the tree, in water, on the ground, in and around the bushes. How many birds could you see? So you have to do this answer on your own. You have to go and observe the birds around your house. You have to see them on the trees, on the ground, and some might also be flying. So you have to count them and write the number. The next question is in the table, write the names of the birds and tick the place where you saw them. If you do not know the names of any birds, then write how you would know it. Now, on the next page, that is page number 53, they have given this table. They have given us name of the bird, where you saw it, whether you saw it in the water, on the tree, on the ground, in the house, or whether you saw it flying. So first name I have written parrot, and I have ticked on the tree. The next is duck. I saw some ducks in water and I saw some ducks on the ground. So I have ticked both the answers. Peacock. I saw the peacock on the ground. Crow. I saw the crow on the tree and I also saw that some crows were flying. So I have ticked both the answers. Eagle. I saw the eagle flying in the sky. So you can write the names of the birds which you have seen and you can tick where you have seen them, or you can also copy these answers. Now let's go to the next page. Have you ever noticed the different birds have different types of beaks? Given below are pictures of the beak of bird. Look at them carefully. Identify the bird and write their names. So over here they have given us pictures of some birds. They have given the picture of the beak. So we have to observe those beak and write the name of the bird. The first one is a parrot. The parrot has red beak and it is green in color. So from that picture we can identify that it is a parrot. The next one is crow. We can identify from the picture that it is a crow. The next one is the peacock. We can see that it has a very unique kind of beak and it is also having a crest upon its head. So from this we can identify the first bird is parrot, the second one is crow, and the third one is peacock. On the next page we see the first bird is eagle and the second bird is the crane. They both have different types of beak, they have different colors and they are unique birds. Now in the blank space draw the picture of the beak of some other bird. Color it and write its name. So over here children, you can draw any bird which they have given in the lesson. You can draw the bird which you like the most and color it and you have to write the name. Just as birds have different types of beaks, they also eat different type of food. While some eat fruits, some eat seed, some eat eggs, while the others eat fish. So this paragraph is telling us about, as they have different types of beaks, they also eat different kind of food. Some bird eat fruits, some eat seeds, some of them eat eggs, and some of them eat fish. So their diet is also different from each and other. For example, the parrot eats green chili and guava. The eagle eats mice. So they eat different food. Some birds eat fruits. Parrot eats guava, so it is eating a fruit. So they have different diet for different types of birds. Now let's move ahead. Match the birds with their food. So on page number 56 they have given these birds and they have also given some foods. So we have to match them. The first one is vulture. The vulture is dead animal. So we have to join it with the sparrow. The second one is eagle. Eagle is mice. So we have to join it with mice. The next is woodpecker. The woodpecker makes hole in the tree and eat the insects which are found over there. So we have to join it with the small insects. The fourth one is the parrot. The parrot eats green chilies. The next is the pigeon. The pigeon eats grain. So these are the different types of food which the birds eat. So children, this is all for today. The remaining part of the lesson we will continue tomorrow.